Like dimensions, text notes are view-specific annotation objects. To place a text note, select the Text tool. The Contextual tab for the Text tool provides options for leader style, placement, and the text justification. In this example, a note will be added using a straight leader with a shoulder. Click once to start the leader, click once more to place the shoulder break for the leader, and then click a third time to specify where the text will be positioned. The number of clicks used to place the text will be slightly different for the different leader types. Next, you enter the text for the note. Then a second text note is added near the front of the store. Notice that the text of the note will wrap when you adjust the width of your text box using the grip points at either side. Controls at the upper corners of the text box let you move or rotate it. When an existing note is selected, you can also add and remove leaders using the controls on the Contextual tab of the ribbon. Use the in-canvas grip points to adjust the position of the leader as needed.